In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename layers in Figma. This fundamental skill significantly enhances your design workflow by improving organization and clarity. In complex Figma projects, layers often accumulate generic names, making it challenging to identify elements, understand design structure, or collaborate effectively. Naming your layers properly transforms a chaotic file into a well-structured, easy-to-navigate system, saving you valuable time and frustration. Let's dive into the process. To rename a layer, first identify the specific one you wish to modify. You can select it directly on your canvas by clicking, or by finding it within the Layers panel on the left side of your Figma interface. This panel lists all elements hierarchically in your current frame or page, giving you a clear overview of your design's composition. Once your desired layer is selected, simply right-click on it. This action brings up a context menu with various layer-specific options. From this menu, select Rename, which is usually clearly visible among the choices. Clicking Rename will highlight the layer's current name, preparing it for editing. As a quick tip, you can also double-click the layer's name directly in the Layers panel. Alternatively, with a layer selected, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-R on Windows or Command-R on a Mac. These alternatives streamline your workflow, allowing you to rename layers even more efficiently. After activating the renaming function, the layer's existing name becomes editable. This is your cue to type a new, more descriptive name. When choosing a name, consider what makes the most sense for your design and its specific purpose. For instance, instead of a generic Rectangle 1, you might rename it to Hero Image Background, Call to Action Button, User Avatar, or Navigation Bar. Focus on creating clear, concise names that accurately reflect the layer's content or function within the design. Adopting consistent naming conventions, perhaps using prefixes like BTN primary for primary buttons or icon close for a close icon, further improves organization.